Hello friends, we have seen some tools and understand how to use them. Now I am going to give you the practical of line tool, rectangle tool and knife tool. For that just click on the new document and click OK. After that let's draw a rectangle from rectangle tool. If you do not want to color, then go to color tool and simply click on transparent button. You can see the line that indicates we cannot use the color in Fireworks now. Let's take line tool. After that, fill the color using paint bucket tool. You can see the color. We use knife tool to cut the image or any document that we create in Fireworks. Let's cut this image into 4 pieces. Just clicking on this knife tool and drop when you want to cut the image. You can see the line which indicates that the image pieces into 2 parts. Let's make 4 parts of this piece. You can see the document or the image is divided into 4 parts. But these lines remain same. We cannot cut this line using knife tool. Now you can treat the part as you want to. We can make puzzles using knife tool. Now if you do not want these lines, then simply right click on the line, go to edit and click on cut. You can see the line is not here now. And the parts remain same. Using knife tool, you can divide images into number of parts and treat them as you want. On the next tutorial, we will discuss about some another tools. Thank you.